Hey yo, and welcome to day two trading with me live and the NASDAQ. Alrighty, let's hop in and start the analytic part before we go to the main part. So basically, we have the monthly wick still in play, what we about which we talked yesterday about. I do hope and I do think that we will rock it, that we will hit it today. At least I hope we will hit it today. I hope you don't hear too much of the background noises here. At least I hope you will hear it here. But yeah, we have to figure out how the price in general is going to move at the opening, and from there on we can tell more about the price action of today. I do think we will make an up leg to trick people into buying, so that people think we will do the same thing as we did yesterday, and we will not. So I think at least it will happen like this, but who am I? So let's continue. On the daily, we are still in this range. We are still in this fair value gap of the daily, like uh, fair value gap is from this volume imbalance to the high of this volume imbalance, because volume imbalances are in our volume imbalances inside and or above or below our fair value gaps are within our fair value gaps, means our fair value gaps extend to these volume imbalances. Due to the fact that we have two volume imbalances, one above, one below, it maximizes our fair value gap. There we go. Here's the, you see in light darker, is this correct? I don't know. And darker yellow here, the real fair value gap without the volume imbalances. Yeah, and you can imagine like the rest is with the fair with the with the volume imbalances. I want to see a violation to the downside, and then going much lower. Like for today, I would like to see something like this low broken, or maybe even that would be the perfect thing, hitting the conquer encouragement of the monthly. The weekly is pretty boring. Like there is nothing really spectacular on it. Just the fact we bounced off the conquer encouragement of this wick here, but right now we're on the way down again. On the 4 hour, whoa, we've been in the fair value gap until 10 minutes ago, maybe 30, maybe longer, maybe since. Yeah, we will see it on the 15-minute chart anyway. Um, we took out the buy side, which is pretty nice. So you see it on the hourly. We took out this buy side here. So there is no need to go up there, but it could be. It could go. It could do it. There we go. It could go up there just to violate the orders. And here's the 15-minute chart. This is our bellwether chart. And yeah, you see it here. Yesterday, as I mentioned, we took out these highs to um, turn price to the downside and afterwards, after we took out these highs. And basically today we started a bit stronger compared to to yesterday. Consolidated a bit, and from the middle of the Asian range, we just fell off. Right now, we made it through the last day low with a huge displacement. So yeah, I want to see how price is acting on the last day low here. Oops. I want to see how price is acting on the last day low. hold on, I don't need this here. I need this here and this here and this here and this and a that and a this and a that. And I want to see how price is acting on the last day low, and if it goes higher, where it goes. And yeah, like if we go lower, I do not really have a level, to be honest, for going lower and then higher. Like I do think our first move will trick people into taking longs and then just falling short from it. So what is the dollar doing? The dollar is going higher, which indicates lower prices throughout the day for us. And the, come on, I don't know why they do not move in tandem, but there we go. And the 15-minute, what's this even? And the 15-minute chart is on the different indices pretty similar. We have no divergence or anything here. So let's switch to the 1 minute. Oh, that was good. That was precise in between those two levels, right? Rarely that it happens like this. So there we go. This is our 1 minute chart. We got 6 minutes left until the opening starts. And we have no levels here at all. We have no levels here at all. Like this is the second previous day's low. We do not need this, but I do need this one here. So I had to check right now if I'm even live. It would be pretty embarrassing if not. All right. Let's wait then, I guess. Do we have no news today, do we? Let's see. Forex Factory. No, we have no news. Could be a, could be a pretty silent, could be a pretty silent Friday today. Oops, that was dumb. Ah, oh my gosh. Oh, getting old is no joke. All right. Could be a pretty boring price action today, but let's see. Let's get surprised by price. Da, 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 da. We got 4 minutes left. Price is going pretty strong to the downside. If you have a look at the, oh, come on. If you have a look at the 15-minute chart, it's, the draw is pretty bearish here, isn't it? Like we are dragged to the downside. Dragged to the downside. Heat map isn't active yet, of course, because there is no price. Like we haven't opened yet. Let me see how the connection is doing on this live here. So we have several levels where we want price to be. Come on, don't get too weak here before to the opening. 1.5 minutes left. One minute left. Do I have water here? Yeah, I got it. So price seems to look for higher prices. It's that even 19,000. That would be 300 points. We have a. What do we even have in terms of an ATR? On the daily, we got. Come on. And it's wrong again. I don't know why I don't pre-save the levels I want to see. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot to make the post on Instagram. I have to do that. Yeah, so basically we got a range from 487 points. And we're right now on the opening. Like I want to see how price is reacting on the last day low. Preferable, I would like to see price getting into the half point of this fair value gap here, hitting this low here, as well as not closing above the last day low and giving me some signs that it wants to go lower. And then and only then I would enter live on air. Let's make this Instagram post done here. Wreck. Get wrecked. Joke. So where is my possibility to make links here? Here we go. We go high. We're near to the last day low, like the level I want to see the price be in, or be at rather. If we fall short before it, then it's basically not my week. Basically not my week. There's the life. Okay, and copy that. All right, okay, that is not looking good. Like I want price to go higher. We don't even took out this high. Like I don't know what is this? What is this? Why? Why is this? Why and what is this? And why is it like it is? Not different. Let's see, we're not done yet. Oh, this is 1 minute. We need a 1 hour here. Good. That's better. We have a cluster of a lot of levels here. New day opening lines, new day opening gaps, daily highs and lows, and so on and so far. And we have a pretty easy time going through them. We reached or we overcome the conquer encouragement of this week here. Preferable, I would like to see price retrace here, as I said, into yeah, similar of this level. It's like somewhere between here and here, and falling short from here again. And then I would look for my long to for my short to answer. I don't know why sometimes my breath is so strong that there is this noise, this I don't know. I don't know what it is. What we can do is we can drag this a bit up so people see our balance and nobody says that we do some stupid stuff here. What I don't know is how to change the language of this here below into English. I don't know how to do this. I am lost. I am lost. I am lost. I am lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. Oh, maybe here. Oh no, that's yeah, no. No, 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 no. But we want this one here in ticks, not in dollars, because dollars will be here. Let's see. It's 5 minutes after opening and we zigzag round and around. And we have no first presented fair value gap yet. Let's see how this plays out. But we're pretty weak in terms of like we have gone pretty strong through this level, which indicates that we're pretty weak because we fall short of it. But let's see. Still got 8 minutes until 15 minutes is closing, and this looks like a job for me. Everybody come follow me. This looks like we are building our first presented fair value gap here. 20 seconds left. Oh, will it close it? Well, it looks like a close. That is a close. Like it's not a close. I guess it left something open, but it's better than nothing. So this will be my first presented fair value gap, but um, not really. So let's draw it out. Where is it? There we go. So it's a pretty small one, but it's okay. It's the first reach our fair value gap from the 21st of March. Oops. All right, and let's put this above so we can see it. The range is pretty small. Make it in red so we know it's from today. Oops. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Yeah, but it's not too obvious. I like this more. Makes more sense to me though. Okay, let's see. I get a feeling that we want to go below this low here in the macro and then smash higher. Do I change the bias? Do I want to change my bias? Rather, with this equal lows here, I took it out, doesn't it? It's so so you can see what I'm doing. We have this low here, which is 604.25, and we have this low here, which is 602. So I took it out. We are near to our first region alpha value gap, so let's see how. Price is behaving at this certain level. But to be honest, I don't even know if I would take a long if we do it, like if we take out the low and go higher, because we have this one here that's 735.75 and 735.25. And let's say I get a real good entry, like a real good entry. This would be somewhere, if we go lower, somewhere around here, in the best case. It's like 48. Yeah, it's 80 points. Maybe I would take that. Nice. That's what I want to see. Come on, go even a bit higher. Just go to the last day low. Just go to the last day low. Frame it. I frame it. I frame I go. Oh, I have to pee. Shit. Bad timing. Bad timing. Bad timing. What is the heat map doing? What is the heat map doing? Let's have a look. Let's have a look together. We're mostly bearish. Like most of them are red. Some of them here in finance are green. Yeah, but we're mostly neutral and or red, especially in NQ. Like in NQ based stocks. Still, I do think we will go lower. I don't think we will see higher prices today. How are the other ones even doing? We have like Nasdaq is the weakest of all of them. So would be cool if we see some heaviness here. How is dollar even doing? Dollar is giving us a V shape. That's pretty nice as well. But what's really dangerous is these equal lows here. We took out this high already with this one, so let's see. Let's see, but I do not really like this. 7 minutes left until we open the macro. I have to make this a little bit higher so you, whoa, so I don't get lost in the camera. I need some more to it here. That's a bit too, oops. Maybe I do oh shit. What am I doing here? Yeah, that should be okay. Should be good enough. But there we go. All right. It's 5 minutes left until we enter the 950 to 1010 macro, which is my preferred. Macro. I'm pretty curious right now how price will react on the first return offer value gap from today. We didn't even reach it. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, we're still in the consolidation today on the daily, but I would like to see lower prices, simply due to the fact that we haven't made it above the midpoint of it, and also that we are below this fair value gap here. So I would wish that would I wish that we retested? No, I just wish that we would just go lower. Maybe inside of this volume imbalance here. Hold on. And it's on both sides. So let's add it. Oh, come on. There we go. Volume imbalance here. Just make it on the upside. Oh man, that was pretty stupid. There we go. All right. 2 minutes, 10 seconds until we hit the macro. Da, 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 da. Come on, give me something. I forgot something because we also got. Where's this level? This level. Oh, maybe we go to the low of. Would we? This would be the C of this one. Yeah, this would go in tandem with my thoughts from before. What I don't really like is we move in tandem with the dollar. That's something I usually don't want to see, but yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. It is not that bad. Mm, But what I wanted to do is line out this conquer encouragement of this level, which is 20,192, 196, 191. That's fair enough. We haven't reached it yet. 2.50, 2.50. There we go. This one is the CE. That's 1 day. It's daily is enough. Daily CE of wick. Okay, it's pretty fine. Mm-hmm. Let's prepare everything for our short. Rather for our potential short. So we're near the last day low, which is my level of interest. Let's just make something here. Yeah, this is also, so this whole thing here is our value gap, which mean this would be our half point. Or even, let me see, this one here. Yeah, and this as well, so maybe even higher. There we go, like 19,744. 19,744, 19,744. There we go. This would be the CE of our fair value gap. Also, not only the fair value gap itself, because we have, hold on, this is our C from the fair value gap here, but it's not of this fair value gap from here to here, it's of the fair value gap from here to here, because we count the volume imbalances in two. This does not mean we have to go there. Like if we go lower from here, I would enter without even blinking twice. There we go. Displacement looks good so far. Let's set up where we would put our stop loss. Stop loss would be, man, this is very bad visible. I have to change somehow the colors, but I'm not, I don't know if this is possible. Yeah, anyway, this here, second two lot size of 2 is good enough. And I would enter, hold on, we have our breaker here. That would be okay. There we go. Well, this isn't looking so good on a 15-second chart. You see that price goes up with where is my mouse? With huge strength, and that's something I don't want to see. Like we build it an inversion level here, and also we just tapped to the downside. So if I get taken out, I would consider going short if we take out this high and go lower on this breaker again. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. If I get stopped out, it should happen rather quickly. Mm, but price seems to have some kind of bullishness right now, so it could definitely happen. If I see something similar right now to the downside, like price doing this, what it has done here to the upside, again to the downside, and gives me another inversion, that would be perfect. It would be perfectly fine. That would be what I wanted to see. Yeah, what I don't want to see is price closing this gap and immediately retracing like we closed it now. And I don't want to see it retrace from here higher. That would implement that it would pretty sure take me out. Because it just wants to balance the level and not going lower from there. This is something I don't like to see. Um, Getting sideways with a lot of wicks and small bodies. Like this is what I talk about very often when I see this kind of price action. That's usually something I don't want to be in because yeah, like it's sloppy price action. There we go, strong up move. Let's see if price wants to take me out. As I said, it should happen rather quick if it wants to take me out. There we go. So if we go right now below this and use this as a breaker, I would go short again with the same lot size, like somewhere around here, probably. Oh, I have to adjust this because we talk in terms of numbers and not of ticks. It's 19,684, 19,684. With my take profit here, and my stop loss would be on this high if we don't go above it. I mean, let's see. We need some kind of weakness here, otherwise we shouldn't go in it. Like even this was pretty risky. because I've entered, although we had no breaker and nothing, but it felt kind of right, and that's why I entered, and it's okay. I'm good with it. I mean, it's Friday, so the risk is a bit higher than usual, but it's okay. Would be nice if we get an inversion here on the 1 minute and displays lower. The only thing which is dangerous to me though is that yeah, there we go, is that I would enter again on the 15-minute fair value gap here already. If it gives me some really strong measure of displacements, nothing like this. I want to see it go with strength down. Um, yeah, I'm not mad that I lost it, that I lost the trade. It's okay for me. Was a high risk trade. I take that. I take that one. Once we go below my limit order and we close below it, I will put the order. I will dial the order in. But as long as we're above it, I will not do anything. Even my entry here is a bit more risky because it should be on the low of the wick and not on the midpoint of it. So it could be that either if it's not taking out the low of the wick, and it could be retracing, or if price is going below the wick, below the end of the wick, it could be that it's just accelerating lower without letting me in. Price seems not as bearish as I want it to be. Right now we're hitting the 15-second breaker here. Let's see. That's a pretty good sign here that it um, fell off it. Let's see. 7 minutes left until we um, are done with the macro. So for this entry I did before to be valid, I would have needed to go below like a low, short-term low, like here. I entered on the 15-second basis, which is pretty brave, but yeah, it's not smart. Smart would have been if we have gone below this level here, and it gives me some kind of weakness there. That would have been good, but this entry was high risk, very, very, very high risk, like without any validation to um, validation for price to show me that it wants to go lower. Um, I like this one here. So if we go below this low here, um, I will take it. I will take the short here. So price isn't really doing anything. I mean, we go higher slightly, but it's not really some hard price action. As I said, it could be, it's very possible and very likely for today to be pretty boring because we had um, very high impact news this week. And yeah, so maybe people already traded enough. So maybe there isn't that much volume in the markets. Let's see. Maybe I'm wrong though. Mm. Nothing has changed in my bias yet. I'm still bearish, even though it took me out. There we go. This is something I want to see. All right. So come on, go below it. I want you to close below it. I want you to close below it. I will not jump blindly in. Could run without me now. I do it as a market. Order. 20 seconds. Pretty long. If we go below this one, close below this one, but above this one, I will use this as an entry. So we go below this one and close below this one, I will go in an entry here in this level. If we do neither one, I will not do anything. There we go. Oh, that was pretty stupid. that was this would have been my entry. Oh man, this was too fast. This was too fast. I was too fast here. Yeah, anyway. It's fine, it's good. I would have taken that entry anyway. So basically that's something I don't want to see again. Um, but it's good that it closed this fair value gap and immediately uh, was pushed to the downside. It's pretty good. I mean, let's see. And also, what is very important to see how price is reacting on this fair value gap and on this real-time hour fair value gap here. So basically, that's something I would like to see how price is doing there. Mm, yeah, because I would like to see displacement and price going lower with huge momentum. But if it's not doing that, I would close the trade earlier. Let's see. Still, everything in play. I mean, we have this low here, which could just act as a liquidity grab before it's retracing into the other direction again. We have this one here, which could act as some kind of support here before price goes higher. We have several levels here they could be in our way. So it's not low resistance at all. And also we have a higher risk. Like we have, I think, $270 risk, which is pretty high. I have to take a piss, but man, I can't leave the charts right now because I see it. If I leave, price will go to the real-time order value gap and retrace from there and then take me out. Yeah, like that's something I don't want to see. I do not want to see that kind of strength in the price when I'm short. Not at all. So let's see how this plays out, but I don't feel very well staying inside of this trade. But let's see. Let's see, because the wicks can do a lot, but the bodies tell us where it wants to go. So we not even entered yet the volume imbalance here. So I would like to see how price is acting there, where our cursor is right now. Body state inside of the fair value gap from beforehand. And do we hit the volume imbalance? Let's see. Yeah, we did. We go through it. I will bite my ass if this is some of these very popular bull flags from Wieland. Wieland. Could be. I mean, we had an up move. We had an up move, and now we had this down move here, and if we go higher, this could be some measure of something like a bear flag here, bull flag, sorry. This is bullish. That is very strong. This action here that's very strong to me. I don't know, but maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. Sometimes the pattern is just not working, right? Let's see. We have this relative equal lows now. Like the recent low is higher than the low before. Like this low here is at 662 and 50, and this one here is at 663. So 0.5 points difference. See, the dollar is going to the upside, so I would like to see them acting different to each other, because right now dollar is going up and Nasdaq is going up, doing basically just like the Nasdaq. Dow is a bit weaker than the Nasdaq. We had a divergence, but we had a divergence with Dow and NQ, so it's not that meaningful. Let me show you what I mean. Here we have this low, higher low, low, higher low, low, lower low, but yeah, that's not that meaningful to me, to be honest. Price is holding me in a clinch right now. Very, very long time of drawdown. Very long time. But still, I would have entered normally a bit higher, but my entry would have been like here. That's only 4 points or so, which wouldn't change really that much of my time in drawdown. Um, and I would still stick with this as an entry, to be honest. If not even lower, like this would have been an even safer entry for me in my mind, but I don't know. Probably my bias or my narrative is just wrong. We will see it in aftermath. I'm very curious to see what will happen and how this will pan out. But right now it looks again very strong, like it's about to take me out. Yeah, like this is strong price action. Holy moly, man. Holy moly, man in the moon. The strange thing about it is, out of nowhere, right now Nasdaq is stronger than ES is, and before I entered the trade, Nasdaq was way weaker. ES was. It's pretty funny. How I sit there. It's it's funny to watch yourself, how you act in different situations. I never saw that I sit there like this. It's pretty funny, man. So right now we have these, oops, right now we have these relative equal highs here. They could act as a point of interest for price to be taken out. And if we take them out, I don't know. I see where price could go to this high here. Absolutely probable and acceptable because it's also high time from key level. But I don't know. I don't feel like we will go there. I don't feel it. But maybe I'm just not feeling the market today. I consider putting a partial here. Where's my mouse again? I consider putting a partial here just to take something off. That would be, how much would this be? If this is, it's 2040 is 150. I mean, 87, it would be around 100 ticks, if possible. So I would take $50 off. Let's see. First, we need to see price reverse because right now it seems like it's about to take us out again. Uh-oh, 12 points away from liquidation. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I felt it. I'm again below now, below 50K. Oh, holy moly, what the fuck? Oh! That's a good start into the weekend. Perfect. But I still don't see. I still don't see a mistake here. Like if we go high right now, okay, my bias was wrong. I take this one. But if we don't take out the highs I mentioned before, these ones, I don't accept this. But I think we do because we have so much strength in here. And oops, it's okay. It's okay. What we have to work with is definitely that we need to hire our wins, or I need to hire my wins. I have a minus 477 today. That's way more minus than I make plus in general. I guess my average plus is around 180. So it's 3 times my plus. That's impossible. That's something I cannot take, and I have to work on that. I have to work on that for sure. If price turns right now, man, that's something I would be really pissed about. And I do not enter a trade no more today, but I have to release myself. There we go again. Yeah, so price action is okay. Price action is okay. Like the um, the enticement to take a short is very high here. I mean, it's I don't get it. Why is the heat map all red? All red. But Nasdaq is going higher. How? Fuck it. I will take another short here. If I blow my account today, so it be. But it's impossible that price goes up if everything is red. That's not working. This is not working. How? How? I don't get it. I don't get it. And if we get a displacement below and use this as inversion, I will fucking go low, go short again. There is no way. There is no way. Mm-mm. I will not take this one. Mm-mm. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Mm. I need it at 7, 2. No, I have to stay consequent. I took losses. I took even more than I should take, and so I let it be there. I let it be with good so far. That's okay. I just analyze. I was wrong. It's okay. I have to take it. I have to take it. I still don't get it. I don't understand it. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But that's okay. I have to take this one. I have to take this one. Looks even more bullish than bearish for now. This price is holding above the conquer encouragement of the fair value gap, which passed the last day low, and now we retested from above. So now we go down, and I feel like now I get my down move. So there we go to the downside. Hold on, I have to pick up this phone call. Shady's back. Back again, and my call comes again. 1 second. Back again. Ah, that's so annoying that we lost money today, but that's part of the game, isn't it? Hmm. It's not looking good for neither one. Yeah. I don't know. I don't feel like anyone is making money today. If you longed here, whatever reason, um, it would have been good, but I don't see anyone making money today. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe someone does, but Chinese bank back again. We go down and up and 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 down and up. Yeah, basically this price action is a mess. Something I don't want to participate in. I did. Well, what was pretty stupid, but at this time it looked very good. If I look back right now, it did not, because we had a lot of wicks here. It's exactly what I don't like, and I even mentioned it while being in the trade that I don't like this price action. I have gone short here because we had where is it? Here, there you go. We had a breaker here, this one here, and we basically retested it, which was my sign and my go to go short in here, which wasn't that good because it really wasn't that valid at this point. It should have been, I should have waited until we go below this one here. Because this was was it? Yeah, this was the 1 minute low, would have been, it would have have had more to it in terms of validation. Yeah, but I was taking a high risk here, which is also okay. I mean, the pattern was still outplaying, and the second trade was pretty good, to be all honest. I could have take it later to be more secure about it, because like this here would have been the breaker, and we displaced lower, and then we retraced. So if this could have been a better entry, a better entry. Um, it would have not been because we have been taken out, but it could have been. And yeah, I entered here on this low here, but in any way, I was wrong. My bias was wrong. My stop loss was okay above this high both times. Oh, this one was above this one, and this one was above this one. I'm fine with it. I'm fine with the trades I took. I'm just not really fine with the amount of money we lost. I lost because I could have stopped after the first loss. That's what I should have done. Would have been $170 in drawdown, and that would have been not bad at all. But right now, being 470 and something in drawdown or in a loss for today, that's not really good, and it's not feeling so nice. But it is what it is. I mean, I took the trade. I thought it is good. So yeah. Yeah, it makes no sense. For me to stay in the trade, I will make my journal right now. I have to cut the videos to show you my losses. Oh, that's wrong. Loss for today, and I'm good with it. I don't want to stick to the charts because I will not do anyway anything anymore today. So I will cut. Oh, I will cut the stream right now. Make my journal and go in my bed to cry. No, joke. I'm fine. I'm okay. I would take the trade as I took it, at least the second one. I would do it again. So I'm good with it. Let's have a look into the next week, how our news are then. I still don't get it. I still don't get it how we can be that red, but the day is not. I mean, yeah, it is red because we made a huge down move, but since the opening we just turned into not green, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, man. This is It's not feeling right. Anyway, Forex Factory, let's see how the next week is doing. Why isn't it working? Isn't my internet right now so bad? No, it's okay. It should work right now. Monday. Monday is nice. PMI at 9:45. It's pretty cool. So Monday could be with huge volatility. Um, Tuesday is nice as well. Consumer sentiment, new home sales, Richmond Manufacturing Index, like those have a more impact but orange to the price, in my opinion. Also the S&P composite. And Wednesday is nice as well. Durable goods, orange news. They are pretty nice. Uh, Thursday. Thursday is cool. Thursday is really cool. So we got good. We got a good next week. I hope it will give me something. And really, there's already NFP on the day on the week after it. Ah, hell no. How? What? Time's flying. Oh man, then it's April already. Oh wow. Okay, I have to close here. I have to close this room. Oh no, why we took off? Oh, holy moly, my bias was wrong as it just can be. Oh man. Okay, it's part of the game. I take that. I see you on Monday, 9:15. I will upload a video tomorrow about why and how to change to B adjustment. That's what you see down here. And yeah, tune in, watch the video, and have a look what's the difference between those two levels. And then I will talk to you on Monday. Until then, have a nice weekend. Bye bye.